day. This is Revolution FX Strategy speaking. Okay, I've been getting a lot of messages from people asking why I took a sale on that level or on that specific level on GBP USD. Okay, this is the reason why I took that sale. When we look at the NFP, usually you can get NFP on its own. It will come only as NFP. But when you see NFP coming with unemployment rate, so now you do not have to enter in the market 10 seconds before the news release, because the market will give a double spike depending on the figures that come out. So now when the news came out, I went to the fundamentals and then I looked at the chart. I realized that NFP came out better than expected, meaning the US dollar is going to be strong. So meaning all the pairs ending with USD on their right are going to be selling. And then those with USD on their left are going to be buying. But before that final move happens, the market first has to give a spike in respect of the unemployment rate. As you can see, that unemployment rate came out worse than expected. So meaning that the market will have to spike from where it was all the way to the next resistant level. And then from that resistant level, NFP starts to kick in. When NFP kicks in, the market now takes the direction of the NFP news, which came out as better than expected. Okay, I will go to the chart and then I will show you how the market actually followed and respected this analysis. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is our GBP USD chart. So now, when the NFP news release came, the market, I believe, was somewhere around here. Okay, and then it spiked all the way to this area here. So this one here is a strong resistance zone. As you can see, this is a very strong resistance zone. So when the market reached this area here, definitely that spike of the unemployment rate had actually lost its momentum. Now, NFP had to kick in. So when NFP kicked in, the market just dropped all the way down, as you can see. So this is how you trade NFP, especially if it is coming out with unemployment rate. If you see that there is NFP and unemployment rate, do not enter the market before the news release. Wait for the news release, and then once you look at the news release and see how the market, how the news is coming out, if NFP is better than expected, and then the unemployment rate is worse than expected, expect the first spike to go in the direction of the unemployment rate before NFP really kicks in. So it becomes tricky now when the NFP comes out worse than expected, and then unemployment rate comes worse than expected, because the market will just spike in one direction. So you will not get an opportunity to actually enter into the market. But it is more safe to trade that way, knowing that, okay, now you know what you are doing. You are not just gambling all your money. So first step, make sure that you check your MyFX book and see if NFP is coming with unemployment rate. So if it is coming with unemployment rate, make sure that you do not enter in the market before the news release. Wait for the news release and then see how NFP performed. If NFP is better than expected, and then unemployment rate is worse than expected, the first spike is always the one for the unemployment rate, and it will spike all the way to the resistant level. From that resistant level, you now then enter in the direction of the NFP, because that is when NFP starts to kick in, and then you will enjoy and ride all the way NFP to the end. Okay. I hope this helps you. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.